boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Levent Geiger here. He's back again with another song. This time it's called Back For You. Perhaps for you who are listening here on Going Guitar, nice song here. 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. We have a capo set here high up on the 7th fret. Why? Because we want to have easy chords combined with the high notes that we're gonna aim for in this specific song. So capo on 7th, let's go with the chords. So, A minor first, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. C next, an easy transition there. You just take your ring finger up to this position here. That gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have F, and I'm gonna show you 2 variations here. I showed you that in the introduction of this tutorial, how you can play 2 different Fs here for this specific song. So the first one is like this. It looks like it usually does with the bar F, but it isn't. Okay, because this first finger, this is not a bar. You just hit the 1st fret on the E string in the bass, then 3rd A, 3rd D, 2nd G, and then open B and open E. The reason for this I'm gonna come to later, but this is how the first version of F looks like. The second version, a bit easier, and that is probably what I would prefer. I don't know, but anyway, you have 2 options here. This is the F major chord, okay? So, sounds like this, and that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. So 2 different ways of handling the F, this or this. And the final chord is the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright, so we have a strumming pattern here that goes with 4 downs. Okay, but for the 3rd down here, you want to emphasize that one. So when you do the strumming here, you're gonna do play on the bass strings for 1 and 2 down, 1, 2, and then on the 3rd down you go down to hit the top notes down there. All right, the higher notes, and then on the 4th you go back again to down to bass. Do the 4th down there. So bass, bass, top, bass. And the reason now for having F here in this strange version here, not a bar chord, but just hit that 1st fret on E string, for instance, and not bar everything, is because we want to highlight certain notes. So for all the chords here, we want to highlight the open E string here on the 3rd down. When you go down and hit that bass, bass, top, okay, the 3rd down here, you want to really get this open E string here for A minor, C, and F. All right, so that is the reason for not bar everything, because that will give you the 1st F here. We don't want that, we want it open. So you can go with this F or this F major, which is an open E string as well. So you can choose there, but for the D minor, you want the 1st fret to be the highlighted note there on the 3rd down. The 1st fret on E string down there, so you have it like it usually does with the D minor, the standard grip there. So A minor, C, and the F chord, you hit the open E string there on the 3rd down in the strumming pattern, and for D minor you hold as it is. So you're gonna play 1 strumming around per chord, so that will give us and that is what's is done here on Levent Geiger's Back For You. We're gonna play like this from the beginning till the very end. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.